Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna do a quick little exhaust face-off between my 2016 BMW M5, which has the competition package, and also my 2008 BMW 335i. I do have a few exhaust mods on this car. So in this video, we're gonna see which one of the two is actually louder. Let's go ahead and get this video started. So we're gonna do the face-off between both of my BMWs here. Let's go ahead and start with the 335i first. So on the 335, I have the dine-in mufflers with this setup. But since this is an E90, I have also an E92 X pipe that I had welded on by a performance shop here local. And that one is obviously, that's why E92s are louder than E90s. It's an X pipe resonator versus a muffler resonator. So a little bit more sound there than your traditional ones. Still stock downpipes on this, but it does pretty well to say the least. So, and my secondaries are still in there too. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So a little backstory on my 2016 BMW M5 here. This does come with a competition package. Quick little F90 edition that I did there. So the exhaust is stock, still stock downpipes, stock competition exhaust of course. Even though it's not gonna have nothing to do with the sound itself out of the exhaust. All right, so I have the JB4. It sits down in there, very sleek install. If you didn't know what you're looking for, like the T-map there, then you would have no idea that I have it on there. Map 1, of course, targets 4 to 5 PSI over stock, which the competition flash has obviously more than the standard base M5. And then I have the Project Gamma intakes. These are full 3.5 inches, all the way to the front where the filters are. They snake all the way through. Great mod here between the two, but you know, I got those two DIYs. You guys could check them out here on the channel down in the description box below so you can see this further. Nothing to do with exhaust of course, but let's go ahead and fire up the M5. Obviously a definite winner here, my 2016 M5 with the competition package. The competition package cars are louder than the standard base M5s, obviously faster, louder, so different exhaust setup, different mufflers in general, suspension changes, flash changes, all kinds of good stuff. So all that wrapped into one, you know, is what comes with the competition package. So sounds great, and that's even with stock downpipes. I will be doing downpipes on the M5. We'll do a DIY on that. So lots more mods to come on the M5, of course. And then we're gonna figure out what different mods that we can do on my 335i. It would be the downpipes. So I do have those. We'll be doing that, and then we'll do another comparison between the two and see which one is gonna definitely win. All right, guys, check out more DIYs on my 335i that I have here. Plenty of content here, probably over 450 videos, DIYs, all kinds of good stuff since I've had this for 8 years running, and plenty of good stuff on the M5 as well. A lot of DIYs, a lot of informational videos too. Having fun with both cars, to say the least. Big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks again. Chat with you soon.